Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef stock with bones, step by step. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange about 3 to 5 pounds of beef bones on a baking sheet. Roast them for approximately 45 minutes, or until they are deeply browned and caramelized. This crucial step develops a rich, complex flavor that will be the foundation of your delicious homemade stock. Don't skip it for the best results. Once your bones are beautifully roasted, transfer them to a large stock pot. Add 1 roughly chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged by at least 1 inch. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly for a minimum of 8 hours or even up to 24 hours for maximum flavor extraction. After simmering, carefully strain your stock through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pot or heat-proof container. Make sure to discard all the solids, including the bones and vegetables, as their flavor has been fully extracted. For an even more intense flavor, you can reduce the strained stock. Simmer it gently until it has reduced by about 1/3, concentrating all those wonderful savory notes. This step is optional but highly recommended. Allow your finished beef stock to cool completely before storing it. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months. Freezing in 1-cup portions is very convenient for future recipes. This rich, homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and braises, adding incredible depth to your cooking. Also, for a fantastic way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.